Rangahau for me has been really empowering. I learned a whole lot of things during my journey in Rangahau about myself, which has helped me to improve others in areas that they have needed help with. Staff, whānau, friends, anywhere, everywhere. For me, Rangahau has helped me heal. For the kaupapa that I chose, like I said before, it's helped me heal, it's helped my family heal. Also members of the community and our iwi, and it's because I've been able to heal and learn along the way while I've been researching and documenting everything that's happened. I've learnt, and so I'm able to share that with everyone else as they sort of end up in our back doorstep, if that makes any sense. Yeah, so it's knowledge that I'm able to share that I probably wouldn't have learned if I didn't partake. My aspirations for Rangahau is to try and get as many of my kaimahi involved in Rangahau after learning what it's done for me, because I know that there's areas in their lives that can help them. They think that Rangahau has to be just about our subject at work. Now that they're learning that, no, in fact it's not. Rangahau is whatever you put your heart and soul into learning about or care about. And I do believe we have a lot of kaimahi who have so much to offer and we haven't quite tapped that. So if it means that we be the example to awhi them into doing Rangahau, then that's what it'll be. Yeah,
ideally,
that's my hope.